I am. Yeah, I'm feeling a lot better. Yeah, I think I just had something bad to eat. I'm feeling a lot better though.
Good. All right. How
Yeah.
was your
So I know
test?
you Oh, good. I did pretty the for the biostat test, I did good. Yeah, how was yours?
Well, I only got a 84.
That's still no, that's really good. What are you talking about? That's great.
Oh, can I ask you what did you do?
Yeah, I got a 90.
Oh, you see,
No,
good job.
yeah. I think anything above an 80 is great. So,
Okay.
yeah. Anyway, I know you already did the quiz, but if you want to go through the second part of
Yeah,
the assignment really quick, we can do that.
yeah. I have a some question actually, so let's go over
Okay.
this.
All right.
So, number nine,
Mm-hmm.
A is a
Mm-hmm.
determine the null and alternative hypothesis. So, uh, null that we believe that is true. So it's a
Mm-hmm.
529,
Yeah.
and alternative hypothesis and the professor believe is greater than 529.
Yep, that's what I
Right?
said.
All right.
For B, suppose you got evidence that the null hypothesis should be rejected. However, in reality, the mean score of students taking the exam is still 529. Was a type 1 or type 2 error committed? I said it was a type 1.
Yeah. Because the we reject the truth.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I put. And C is the if the analysis was done at uh alpha was 0.01 level, which is a 1%. What is the probability of committing a type 1 error? So this case, um, the the type 1, because level of significance, it is less than probability.
Yeah. And
Yeah,
so, yeah, 1%, yeah, is what I said.
yeah, that's what I said. Okay.
Yeah. For D, if we wanted to decrease the probability of making a type 2 error, would we need to increase or decrease the level of significance that's increased?
Yeah, I put the increase. Yeah.
Okay.
Number a type 2 and a type 1 is the opposite ways, right?
Uh, Hang on, say that again.
Okay, type 1 and type
Mhm.
2
Mhm.
is, oh, type 1 is a probability is a greater than alpha. Then while the type 2 is the alpha level of significance is a greater than probability.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Mhm. Okay.
Number 10 is
Mhm.
this is like a National Association about the Realtor.
Mhm.
Um, A is a design the study. What is the population from which the realtor obtained in his data? His population is the second home buyer of his
Mhm.
in his
Yeah,
neighborhood.
and yeah, that's what I said. So like collect from the second home buyers, and then I said like he can just like randomly select them, and
Yeah.
then ask about the average age of people buying a second home. So yeah. For
Whatever.
B, collect the data, name at least one way the realtor could have randomly selected a sample. I just like chose a way to collect. I just said simple random sample. Like
That's what I put.
okay. Yeah, because I was just like any of them would have worked. So
Yeah, then I have a second sampling method. I was thinking about systemic sampling.
yeah,
So they can have a case, the every fifth number, 10, 5,
yeah,
15, those
mhm,
ways it work too. All right.
yeah.
C,
Hmm.
describe the data, grab the data on a histogram. That was my questions.
Oh,
Uh, I took all 15 number, make the the mean number came up 46.73.
Hmm.
But where we got, I've been looked through mystery, the at the lesson
Hmm.
3, that a mysterious all the like data was there.
Hmm.
Where I picked, I've been looked through, and I don't know where I picked this, data to make a histogram.
This histogram. Yeah, that was honestly like my question because like I did it once. I remember like, oh, like I did it in Excel, but
Uh-huh.
but I can't remember how to do it. And so like I looked at the answer key and I like got my histogram from there, but I still haven't quite figured out how to do the histogram. I'm going to research it a little bit today when I do my homework, and then when I figure it out, I can send you an
Uh-huh.
email.
So did you just open up the Excel and the on the column you put all the 15 number?
Yeah, you should put all the numbers in a column and then you should be able to put those numbers into a histogram.
I know how to make it, and I
Oh,
have
okay.
a site for the histogram and a QQ+. But I was look through where I can find the from the our Excel,
Mm,
the from the Zoom. Is it chip, or I think it was a chip, you
mm.
know, but it
Yeah.
wasn't. Okay, so we just put the numbers on. Okay, that I
Yeah.
can, yeah. Then I can do.
Okay. Yeah.
And
Okay.
there's a
Oh,
D,
no.
huh?
What? Oh, no, sorry.
Now
What were you?
now we're gonna do T.
Yeah, I'll say D. So make inference. Check the requirements. Since there are only 15 pieces of data, what will you need to check? I wasn't super sure what to say for this one, so what did you say?
I put number of sample less than 30 because we've been learning for number of sample is 30 is the sufficient.
Yeah, and so I said you would probably need to check to make sure that the d data is distributed normally and not skewed. And so
Uh,
that's what I said. Yeah, just so like what you said, because the sample is small.
right.
So if it was normal, that's fine. But if it's not, then that would be a problem. So that's why I said you need to
Oh,
check to make sure it's normal.
I see. So the check the requirement.
Mhm.
So what will you need to check? So what we're gonna check, let me just look at
Yeah.
this number 10 and see if I can. Hold on. Oh, they
So
made it to QQ Plaza from here.
mhm.
Yeah. And then,
Yeah.
all right.
Yeah, so like in the answer key, they have that little graph showing the distribution of data. And so
Right.
you just need to make sure that like it's normal.
Oh, okay, I got you. All right.
Yeah.
So it is like all the dot is pretty much like it had some connection or all of the place. That's what we.
Yeah. Yeah, it's close to the blue line. Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah. All right. Then state the null and alternative hypothesis.
Mhm.
So is this a one or two tail test? So the hypothesis for null hypothesis, it should be 47 years old,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah.
And then native is uh not equal to 47, and it could be a older, it could be a longer, so
Yeah.
that could be a two-tail test.
Two-tailed. Yeah, I agree. So for three, there was just no question. And so just let A be that.
Oh,
But for four, what?
they give us number, right? As a
Yeah,
con Okay.
0.05, yeah.
Yeah.
And so for compute the test statistic, what is the formula to be used? And so the formula is the z-score, so like
Right.
the sample minus the mean over the standard deviation
Yeah.
divided by the square root of n. Yeah, that. And then so for my z-score, I got a negative 0.207.
Oh, I got negative 0.2091. So when I
Okay,
added,
I think yeah, I think I must have made a math. I think that's really close. What did you do?
yeah, putting number added on divided by a mean,
Mhm.
I came up to 46.73,
Mhm.
which is negative 0.27 divided by 1.2909. So that's what I got. But it's
Okay.
close.
Yeah, it's really close.
Yeah. So
Okay. Yeah.
then I plug this number to the what is the normal probability applet.
Mhm.
So since this is just the number is not equal, so I look at the both side and
Mhm.
total. It comes probability was 0.836 or something like that, you know.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Yeah, okay. All right. You wanna do next?
Okay. Yeah. So, compare the p-value to the level of significance. Do we reject the null hypothesis or fail to reject? And I said we fail to reject the null hypothesis.
Right. So this is gonna be a type 1 error, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yeah, okay. State your conclusion in terms of the alternative hypothesis. And we, what did you put?
I just said that because we don't have enough evidence to say um so we don't have anything, so like we're gonna say that the data shows that the mean average of people
Uh,
is 47, and so we don't have anything that says it's not 47 for this area.
right. So insufficient evidence, right?
Yeah.
And take action. What action if any, you do suggest the realtor to take based on your statistical conclusion? I could say maybe collect more data to make
Yeah.
more evidence.
That's what I said.
Okay, so
Yeah.
we're done.
Yeah. Okay, awesome. Thank you so much for meeting me. I'm so sorry that I forgot the group meeting. I will not let that happen again.
No,
But
no,
thank
no,
yeah.
okay. Let me know. All
Uh,
right.
All right. All right. So I'll see you Tuesday morning.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that's what I'm
Okay.
expecting. Okay.
Okay.
See ya.
All right.
Have a